Hello, my name is Luis Benitez and I'm the product manager for IBM Smart Cloud Connections. Today I want to give you a quick demo of the IBM Connections Desktop Plugin, which brings social to the end user. Directly from Windows Explorer, I have direct access to all my files and all of its social data. I can find files that I have pinned, being shared with me, look at my folders, and get to intellectual capital from colleagues that I follow in just one click. In the main view, I can see data from connections such as number of downloads, versions, likes, comments, and even who has locked the current file. I typically prefer to have all the social data first, so I'm going to reorder the columns based on my preference. One of the columns shows me if a file is private, public, or only shared with a number of people. As a new user to Connections, I can participate just by knowing how to use Windows Explorer. In the Properties view of the file, I can see likes, comments, versions, and more. A right-click is all I need to leave a comment on the file. At our company, we use hybrid deployment of Connections as we collaborate both in the cloud and on-premises. The plugin can connect to multiple servers at the same time, which means I can take a file from my internal server and bring it to the cloud to share with others. It's as simple as drag and drop. During file upload, I can specify tags for the file, who I'm going to share it with, either as reader or editor, and in the bottom, I can specify whether I want to encrypt the file or other sharing controls. Just like with my internal server, I can see my files, those shared with me, and everything else from the cloud. The plugin extends to Microsoft Office as well. As someone who travels often and doesn't have constant access to the network, it's important that I'm not limited by just network connectivity. From the ribbon, I have one-click access to Connections. This allows me, for example, to use Word as a blog editor. Once a document is ready, I click on Blogs and select which blog to publish to, and voila! You will see similar integration in Excel and PowerPoint. In Outlook, I also have the Connections ribbon available to me. I just received an email that's critical for a project. With one click, I can get that email into an activity. Or I can take the attachments of the email and share them with my colleagues through files. As you can see, this plugin accelerates adoption, reduces time to value, and reduces training costs. To learn more, go to ibmcloud.com/social.